Hello, all. A very good morning. Hope you all are doing great. And this is going to be a medicinal rasam or medicinal soup that can be had, especially when you have your cold. Yeah, because I'm having a cold, I want to try it out. And I thought this would be the perfect time to share with you guys. Please don't mind my voice, I'm sorry for that. So this rasam or soup, you can have it with rice, or you can just have it directly. Uh, I'm just gonna show the ingredients so it'll be easy for you to make, and for sure it's gonna help you a lot. And again, be 100% sure that the effect of cold will reduce after having this. So I'm going to soak a lemon sized tamarind in hot water. It could be very hot water. Try to soak it in. And if you don't want to add tamarind, you can use always two tomatoes. You can just skip the tamarind. And I'm just going to add some garlic and a half onion. So little turmeric, mustard, coriander seeds. This is very important, and some pepper and some cumin and some hing or whatever you call. Please ignore my voice, I'm really sorry about it. And there's some coconut oil. I'm gonna make it with coconut oil. You can use gingerly oil or sesame oil, that's optional, but I want to make it with coconut oil. So I'm gonna add just 1 big spoon of coconut oil. I'm just gonna saute the all the ingredients. This is an immunity booster. You can just have it directly. You can just have it with rice. It'll be super tasty, and the cold and the cough it'll reduce a lot. So we're gonna add. It's gonna be a tablespoon. So it's 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, and 1 spoon of cumin seeds. I usually add all the coriander, cumin, and pepper 2 spoons, but since my daughter is very small and it will be very spicy, so if you have a kid, you can just go with this measurements. You don't have to add more, and a little more curry leaves, and then some garlic, some onions. Please find some small onions if you could get, because in my neighbor's store I couldn't find it out, so I'm using my big onions, and 1 big tomato. Because I'm using tamarind, I'm just taking 1 tomato. So we'll just saute it out and we'll add salt. Let it get soft, and after some time you see everything got a little cooked almost. So I'm just gonna grind with some cold water, because I'm gonna do it immediately. You can also, so some coconut oil again, some mustard seeds, some onions, some curry leaves. At this stage you can add some 1/4 of hing. So I forgot to tell that before grinding I also added 3 red chilies with that, a little turmeric, so just make sure it's not burning out, and we just pour the grounded mixture, add a little more water to the jar and pour it inside. So it's gonna be in a soup consistency, or we can also keep it as a water drink consistency. It shouldn't be thick. So at this stage I just filtered the tamarind, and I'm just adding the tamarind. I'm just gonna add only once. I'm not gonna reuse the tamarind. So let it boil, and once it comes to this stage, just allow it to boil for 2 minutes approximately, and add little coriander leaves. It enhances the taste a lot. So yeah, it's boiling, and I'm gonna add my coriander leaves, and I'm gonna close it out. At this stage, just close the lid and switch off the stove. Make sure you keep it aside, not on the stove.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
If you're gonna have with the rice, make sure you add more rasam and more rasam or soup, whatever it is for you, and have a little rice, so it'll be nice and tasty to eat. Or you can just have straight away as a soup. Please do try out the recipe and let me know your comments. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. Bye. Thank you.